Okay, this sequence we're going to talk about, for the rapid cabin, we're going to talk about putting the corner pieces on and the other log overlays. As you notice, you'll see that these logs are cut short and you have spaces between them. Those spaces are 7 inches. That allows us to use our whole system. It becomes our exterior window trim. It also becomes our door frame area. So to finish up this gable end from the log standpoint, Al is going to put the log trim on. So these are called overlays. He's going to line it up at the top and down a little. Right there looks good. Now, he really won't screw the bottom until he puts his side piece in, because that allows him to flush up this log with the outside corner of the other log. So this one goes in next. And that gets pushed up to where it belongs. Okay, once that log is set, then we bring this log out to basically give us what we call the same reveal here. That reveal we kind of sand out and stain, and we'll be all set up. And we'll give you the screws to fix this. This is one area where we do face nailing, this area and the log at the bottom. So we have a piece that goes on the bottom there. Very often these will come full length, but sometimes they come shorter because we only get wood so long. So Al's going to set that piece in place. That'll all be cut for you to fit. The difference between here now that you see, that will be filled, and then we'll put a log trim in there. Now we're going to put the center logs in. So this one, we'll get George to go up on the inside there and help him hold this up there. On our classic cabin, the gable ends are put in after the first floor, or the wall logs are put up for the first floor. So that's an independent operation. In this operation, we all put it up together. So this becomes finished. So George will flush that out with the top logs, and we'll get a ladder here later to affix that, but let's get the bottom piece on. Again, the log gable ends, these gable ends, they're the most time-consuming function of almost the whole building. So we want to get these done. It's work out of the way, get it done before you put your rafters up, and you're going to be complete here very shortly. If you have any further questions, contact us at the information listed.